Should I go and get some towels? More towels? Should I get more towels then?
Yep. That one's cold. Don't
This one's cold.
come up to the hole. Oh.
5.
What's the time?
15.
Oh, happier. And what do you get happier?
I don't know. I was going to. Does it not say?
I don't know.
Wait, don't get your towel.
It's cold and cold.
Cold and cold, is it? Go to the hot. We might want to start with the cold.
Oh, why?
No, go get in the hot. Go get in the hot.
Go get
Here, we can go.
that little bit. Just don't go deep. Just stay in that little bit with Theo. Don't go in there. Stay in there. You can go with Lila.
Why is she picking them out in the pool?
What's she gonna get?
Oh, I'm just finding food.
Yeah, go and splash. Go and splash. Go and splash. Oh, do you want to video Lila? Video Lila. Huh? Hi. Okay. There. Lila there. They're going in there and splash. I'm gonna go. It turned blank and then I checked it.
Oh, Theo having a cocktail. Nice and warm in there. Is it good?
Oh, it's too short. Is that Mom? Can I have a sip? I don't want
It's
to.
alcohol.
Can I have a sip?
Oh, I got one on my toe.
Got what in your
We
toe?
might have to go inside. I've got mosquito bites on.
Where's it going? It's going.
There's a map here. Go down the hill. Whoa. Whoa. So bumpy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a bumpy track. This one's a bit bumpy, isn't it? Oh my god! Whoa! Theo likes it. Oh God, Father, this is hard. Is this grade 1? Grade 2? The diggers are digging, are they? Oh my God, what was that? What? Keep pedaling, Lila. Oh my God. It's a bit bumpy. I don't know if I can do 2 Ks. On the bridge. So bumpy. Whoa. Don't want to fall off. Whoa! Are you okay, Theo? You on the beck still? Oh my God! Oh my God! Maybe we should have done the short one. Don't want to get all wet. What? Did you wade? Oh, the trees fall down there. Must have been a storm, do you think? Oh, we're at the end. What grade was that? Do you want more of that?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you like it, Theo? Does it hurt your bum or not? Theo, are you on the back? Is it fun or scary? This one's not so scary. Pedal, Lila! Pedal, pedal! Oh no! Oh, I can't get up.
I'm bringing a pine cone home.
Okay. Don't land on it. Oh no! I'm gonna go into you. Yeah, I think these. Once you get to the end. Theo's hurting his bum, I think, because he can't stand up. You go, Lila. I gotta try to get up here. Oh, it's the gears. No, it's like the gears slip. Okay, stop.
Are you okay?
We're in the wrong gear.
What gear am I in? Here comes Lala. Whoa! It's alright, Theo. Oh, you want to have a picnic? I'll do a picnic at the end. Whoa, Dad nearly fell off. I need to leave it. Oh, there's a picnic table.
Where is it?
rest, see where we go next.
Yeah, I'll put it. Oh, watch out, Lila. We'll still wait for you.
I'm tired.
I'll wait for you to get that bit steeper bit. Because I can't do it if you're stuck on the hill. Pedal, 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 Lila. I'm behind you. Yeah. Yeah, poor Theo, dear.
Are you alright, Theo?
You alright, Theo? It's a bit scary.
You're stuck in the wall.
We made it to the top with a few falls. Were you scared, Theo? Slipped? Yes. But look at that view! Look, Lila. Is it pretty? See the water. Now we get the fun part. It's going downhill. Just don't slide off the hill this time, eh?
Yeah, because last time I slid.
Yeah, just don't jump off. Bunny. Look, two bunnies. There's a bunny. Yep. You saw the bunny? Cute, eh? Hey, we're back at the car park. Just go straight.
Rồi sang thế nào mày? Rồi mày làm sao là ok là không bị